Hello everyone. Recently Amway has launched its new product, that is Nutralite Chyawanprash. Today we are going to talk about its ingredients and benefits. Firstly, I would like to share my personal experience with this product. This product is very tasty than any product available in the market, and also you will not feel any thicky material that comes in the Chyawanprash that are available in the market. Now we will talk about the benefits of this product. So firstly we will talk about what goodness is inside in our Nutralite Chyawanprash. It is made up with 16 organic ingredients and 32 herbs. First one is amla. Amla is very rich in vitamin C that will help in your immunity. It will enhance your liver health, promotes hair growth and healthy digestion. Next one is giloy. Giloy helps to improve and build immunity, and it will protect you to fight against any type of fever. Even it is beneficial for anxiety and stress also. Now if we talk about Shatavari. Shatavari boosts immune system, helps to treat diarrhea, helps to treat ulcers, and also it treats kidney stones. Nutralite Chyawanprash also contains Gokru. In our daily and hectic life, we have to work for many hours, for which we need good stamina. So Gokru helps us to improve our stamina. Have you ever heard about bale? It is a very healthy fruit, good for digestion, reduces cholesterol, also helps in diabetes management, prevents skin infection, and also act as an blood purifier. Next ingredient is elaichi, which is also called cardamom. It has properties to lower blood pressure, contains cancer fighting compounds, and treat bad breath. Elaichi prevents cavities and has antibacterial effects also. Ashwagandha is known as an ancient herb. It can reduce blood sugar levels, reduces stress and anxiety, also reduces symptoms of depression and increase fertility rate in men, and can also reduce inflammation. Next is Dalchini. Dalchini is very effective for fighting with infection. It can treat skin ailment, risks of heart diseases, and it can also reduce blood sugar levels. Patla is one of the most important parts of Nutralite Chyawanprash. It helps in easy urination and maintains proper urine flow. It can act as a cardiac tonic and also improves appetite. Everyone knows about honey. Honey is a good source of antioxidants. It has antibacterial properties. It can heal wounds, help for digestive issues, and also cough, cold, and anemia, and insomnia also. Nutralite Chyawanprash also contains raisin fruit, which can relieve constipation. It can prevent anemia, protect your teeth, and build and maintain strong bones and strong teeth also. Nutralite Chyawanprash also contains pipli that can relieve respiratory infections and is also beneficial in allergic respiratory illness. It also contains harad. Harad can act as an appetite stimulant. It promotes digestion. It can enhance weight loss and also manages diabetes and dental problems. Nutralite Chyawanprash is very rich in antioxidants. It has no preservatives. That's why we recommend it to use within 60 days after opening the box. It also has DNA fingerprint herbs. Nutralite Chyawanprash has DNA fingerprinted herbs. That means many herbs have multiple species and not every species of the herb has same potency. That's why Amway uses best of the best species for its all the products. Nutralite Chyawanprash is also certified by EcoCert under National Program for Organic Production. If we talk about why to choose Chyawanprash, then we can say it has some primary benefits, which includes immunity booster, helps to combat any type of illness, rejuvenates the body, boosts the strength and stamina of body. Along with it has more benefits also, which includes
easy digestion, easy respiratory system. It can make you feel younger and also supports memory and heart health. Now, if we talk about the usage of this product, for adults, it is recommended to use a single teaspoon twice a day. For children, it is recommended to use half teaspoon twice a day.
I hope this video is very beneficial for you. If you want similar videos from me, then like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.